celebrate 100 years Maybach car anniversaries. One of the things that Karl Maybach always said about his business is that business is responsible for both being economically sustainable, but you also have to solve technical problems. So I think this is really at the basis of this and the basis of automotive innovation, which really is one of the hallmarks of the Maybach DNA.
To sum it up, I mean, basically what we have is a heritage brand that's constantly pushing ahead.
I think the most differentiating thing in the Maybachs is the combination of the perfection, innovation and precision of Mercedes with the high exclusivity, with the craftsmanship of the Maybach brand.